YouTubers, what's up? Sticky Note Production. This is like a sequel to my last video, lighter trick. Well, I have just found out another lighter trick. It's pretty intense. Same lighter, see? Now you just like, you know. Alright, so light it again. Now this time, light it like this. Now check this out. Now very slowly let go of it. Now look, the wick, it shrinks. Look at that. It shrunk. Now this, see, look, it gets big, it gets small, it gets big, small, big, small. Yeah. Now this takes some practice with just letting go. But don't let go all the way, just let go like the tiniest bit and then you'll get it. Yep. Well, I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.